I am Okele Emmanuel, a fellow in Teach for Uganda, based in Kayunga district. Do you know that more than 10,000 children in Uganda are involved in prostitution? In Kayunga town, the rate of teenage girls practicing prostitution is alarming and increasing daily. As such, we intend to use a game approach in form of football trainings, organizing friendly matches, and inter-team tournaments. This is to mobilize teenage girls in the 5 schools within town community, so that we create awareness against prostitution. We counsel them, we guide them, we let them know that prostitution is a bad practice. Our football project will engage in various activities to raise revenue and ensure it's long-lasting. This will be through lobbying for funds from well-wishers and other organizations upon us registering as a local CBO in our district. We shall also fundraise from district politicians, district leaders, and the community at large. Not only that, there will be a contribution made by partner schools which our project will run. So they will also contribute in the project account. There will be also sales of product made from the girls' business trainings. All this will contribute to our sustainability. I humbly invite you all to join us in our mission to ensure that teenage prostitution ends in Kayunga town. Together we can create a world where girls can thrive. Thank you.